So, alright, I'm gonna use this yarn to show you how to make the every basic. So we're gonna make a single crochet, we're gonna make a chain first, and then I'm gonna make a single crochet, a double crochet, and I'm gonna show you how to make the slip stitch as well. So I'm gonna do everything before we start our course, so when we do our snowflake you know everything. So let's start. I'm using this red yarn so you can see the color difference, so it will be more obvious than of white color over this the background. This color of course just bob up and more obvious, so it's the basics, so it's so important, so pay attention to everything because I'm going to show you all the things that we need to do to build up our snowflake. So I'm not gonna show you like every single stitch in the crochet, but I'm gonna show you the basic stitches that we need to know in this project to make our snowflake. So I'm gonna use this yarn, that is the same yarn we're gonna use for the snowflake, and I'm gonna use the same crochet needle, which is a 4.5 millimeter hook. And let's get started and do the basic and show you everything. So if you are a beginner and don't know anything about crochet, this is the basic that you need to know. So let's get started.